The special Senate committee had 5 goals with the hearings. Yesterday focused on police training, school safety, and social media. Today, the focus is on mental health and firearm safety. And KVUE's Natalie Haddad joins us now in our studio.
And Natalie, you've been following these hearings closely. What should we expect from today's hearing?
So the ultimate goal from these 2 days is prevention. Find a way to stop this from ever happening again, much of what we heard in the opening statements yesterday. So day 1 was filled with Robb Elementary School shooting response specifics and seeing evidence and information surrounding the investigation, such as maps of the gunman's route, and even hearing from law enforcement officials calling out the inadequacy of Texas active shooter training. But today's focus centers on mental health and firearms safety. On the state Senate floor, we'll hear from Meadows Mental Health Policy Institute President and CEO Andy Keller. Keller will testify about the effects of mental illness on young people and how certain programs are successfully helping schools identify children who need help and how they are helping parents get them the care they need. Now, in the wake of the Robb Elementary School shooting, access to mental health resources has been a huge push from Governor Greg Abbott. And during today's Senate committee hearing, we'll also hear testimony regarding firearms safety. Yesterday, though, the Texas Police Chiefs Association president and San Marcos Police Chief Stan Stanridge spoke to state senators about training police officers for attacks like this. And they said all officers across Texas do not have enough active shooter training, describing current rules as, quote, woefully inadequate. Experts told senators there needs to be more training that's more consistent, but also just a better response to any school threat. Stanridge argued school districts, resource officers, and mental health professionals need to do more to address children who make threats, especially toward their schools. And that's exactly what we're expecting to hear about today as we enter second day of testimony with the Senate committee. Hearings begin at 9 a.m. and I'm going to be tracking that, and we'll have an update on what we've heard so far by then on our midday show at 11 here on KVUE.